The disappearance of water on Mars is a complex process driven by a combination of factors related to its thin atmosphere, changing climate, and geological history. While the exact mechanisms are still being studied, scientists have put forth several theories to explain the vanishing of water on the red planet. Mars has a much thinner atmosphere than Earth, affecting its ability to retain water. The low atmospheric pressure on Mars means that water molecules on the surface can more easily escape into space. This process, known as atmospheric escape, is particularly significant for light hydrogen atoms in water molecules. Over billions of years, this loss of water through atmospheric escape has contributed to the depletion of Mars's surface water. Another theory suggests that water on Mars may have seeped into the ground and percolated into the subsurface. The Martian surface is rich in iron oxides, rust, and these minerals can chemically react with water to form hydrated minerals, locking away water in the ground. Mars is known to have large deposits of water ice in its polar regions and beneath its surface. Some of the water that disappeared from the surface could have migrated underground and frozen as subsurface ice. This ice is likely mixed with soil and rocks, making it challenging to access. Mars's axial tilt and orbit have changed over millions of years, leading to significant shifts in its climate. These changes can result in alterations to atmospheric pressure, temperature, and the planet's overall climate. Dramatic changes in climate could have caused the once flowing water to freeze, evaporate, or become trapped in subsurface ice. Water on Mars could have undergone chemical reactions with the minerals present on its surface. These reactions could lead to the formation of different compounds that are less likely to escape into the atmosphere. This could explain why there is less liquid water on the surface today. The geology of Mars plays a crucial role in its water history. The presence of ancient river valleys, deltas, and lake beds suggests that liquid water once flowed on the surface. However, over time, geological processes such as erosion, sedimentation, and tectonic activity could have buried or altered these features. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.